This is the Decorably Kids Fill in the Blank Thank You Card Set. Such a smart idea for kiddos who are still learning to write thank you notes. And writing thank you notes is just so sweet. This set comes with 36 colorful cards, matching envelopes, and a huge sticker set. So everything feels fun and ready to use. So the fill in the blank card format: many thanks, thank you, thank you, thank you. You're the best. Many thanks, thank you so much, thanks to you. So each one you flip over, 12 colorful designs, cheerful, kid-friendly, and they choose their own cards. So basically, the fill in the blank format is a thank you note that's easier for kids to finish without getting overwhelmed. So, dear grandma, so you'll fill in the blank. Thank you for you'll fill in the blank, what they gave. When I opened it, I was like a pineapple, a watermelon, a lemon, an apple, or an orange. And you just check it off you write your name. Such a cute idea. It's just so sweet. I love it. And then they have the matching envelopes. These are so nice. And then the stickers. Nice stickers, gold foiled stars. Thank you, and the fruit. Final verdict. This is a great set for birthdays, holidays, classroom gifts, or anytime your kiddo needs to send a thank you note. I like that it helps children practice gratitude, practice writing in a way that feels so cute and manageable for them. It turns thank you notes into something that they can actually do instead of something parents have to battle. Highly recommend this Decorably Kids Fill in the Blank Thank You Card Set. This review is sponsored by the brand.